Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And right now I'm going to teach you how to verify your property on Booking.com. So here the first thing you need to do here is start by logging into your Booking.com, the extranet using your host account. So here fill out all the sections wherein you will complete your property listing. So this includes room details, photos, then the location of your property. This is very important. Then here you just need to follow the steps, guys. So you'll be able to see here if you want to connect it to a manager. And then here, tell us about your hotel. So you'll also fill out your payment options and then the verification in progress. So once everything is filled out, the booking.com will start the verification process automatically. So here, you may get a postcard with a verification code, or the booking.com may call or email you depending on your location. So here, once you receive the code, guys, log back in and enter it to verify your property. That's how you verify your property, guys, on booking.com. Follow for more hosting tips and tutorials.